delivery of justice and on issues that affect children, the decision cannot be made without children being part of them. And then participation of children who are victims and offenders and presence of their parents and guardians is mandatory. So it means the parents and the children, either being victims or offenders, they will come together with their parents or guardian to be in the forum of the Village Child Justice Committees. So the Village Child Justice Committees forums are only attended by participants who are affected by the matter under discussion and committee members who are facilitating the mediation session. You can see that the members of the committee are 10, but depending on the nature of the case or matter that is being discussed, they can select about 4 or 5 members who can be the ones who are sitting in on the certain matter. And like we emphasize that the Village Child Justice Committees are not open forums because we have to protect children. Only people who are affected and the supporters of both young offender and the victims, not more than 5, each side will be part of the discussion in the Village Child Justice Committees. Can we continue, please? Okay. Now, let's see the stages where the Village Child Justice Committees can operate and how the role of other stakeholders in the delivery of justice or in the Village Child Justice Committees using the restorative justice processes. At the pre-trial, that's where at the community level, we have the Village Child Justice Committees and the police. That's why I said it's before the case can come to court, the Village Child Justice Committees will try to come up with the solutions at the community level and take it to the police, who can also advise it, the parties involved to go back to the community level and address the matter. And like I said, the police assess the case and encourage the parties to divert their cases to be settled at the community level. And then at the trial, that is children's court, assessments and preliminary inquiries, and the cases may be referred back to the Village Child Justice Committees for process. After assessment and preliminary, and the court may advise itself through the probation officers, the prosecutors, and people who sit in children's court that, okay, this case can still be diverted back to the Village Child Justice Committees, and they are given an opportunity if they feel that they can still have an opportunity to go and work on that. But if the matter is not resolved in the Village Child Justice Committee, it proceeds back to the children's court. Okay, now we have this model can still even work after post-sentencing. That is, we are talking about reparation and supervision. Community members are involved in the supervision of the young offender and assist in reparation of the harm